Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to check your RAM speed in Windows 11. It's gonna be very easy. So first, in your desktop, you can open your command prompt or CMD. You can go to your search box here and search for CMD. And then you can run as administrator here. After that, in the CMD panel, you can type this one win set space mem and hit enter and wait for a few seconds until it's appear. And as you can see, this is my RAM speed, so you can check if your RAM speed is, fast or slow. You can check it. For my laptop here, it's very fast. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.